Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I want to teach you how to get a UK postcode. For you to get a UK postcode, you have to be either physically present in United Kingdom or that you are using a VPN or a proxy. A VPN is a virtual private network which helps you to change the real location of your device to whichever location you want to be or that you want your device to be in. For now, let's just assume that you already have a VPN. The next thing you're gonna do is to just log into the VPN and connect it to United Kingdom. If you don't have a VPN or you haven't even used a VPN before and you want me to recommend a good VPN for you, all you have to do is just to tap on the comment section and let me know over there what you want me to do for you, and I will help out. For now, let's just assume that you already have a VPN and you have already connected to United Kingdom. The first thing you're gonna do is to come over to your search bar. This is your search bar here. Tap on it, then type what's my IP address. Once you type it, search for it, then you're gonna see this blue logo here. This is the first one you are going to be clicking on, so just tap over here and allow it to load. Once it's done loading, it's going to bring you over to this interface. So this is where you're gonna be clicking right now. Just click on click for more details, tap on it. Once you tap on it, scroll down, so you can see where I am currently. I'm in Sheffield. So if you are using this for a survey site, a review site, or other UK platforms or apps you are trying to navigate, but because your country is restricted from accessing the site and you want to use a VPN to be able to access the site or the app, what you are going to do is to make sure you write down your country. Write it down right now inside your jotter. Write down your country, which is United Kingdom of Great Britain. Write down your state or your region, which is England. Then again, put down your city, which is Sheffield for me. As for you, you might get a different location, which you might get a different city. It could be London, it could be Kent, it could be any other state, any other city in the United Kingdom. So just write down whatever you see there. Then come over here. For some sites or apps, they might ask you for your ISP. For you, you might see Virgin Media. But for me, for Sheffield, I'm saying British Telecoms. So I'm gonna write down my ISP as British Telecom. So whatever you see in your own, be it Virgin Media or any other ISP, just write it down and let's move ahead. The next thing you are going to do is to come over here. You are going to see this plus button on your browser. Type on the plus button to get a new fresh page. Then on the fresh page, what you're gonna write is the postcode. What's the postcode? Don't forget that your postcode for United Kingdom, your postcode could be the same as your zip code. So if they ask you for your zip code, you can also make use of this. It's the same thing. So just type what's the postcode of Sheffield. So for you, if you are in London, go ahead and type what's the postcode of London, whichever one. Just type that, then search for it. What's the postcode of Sheffield? Then it's going to show you, it might show you a different thing if you are not in Sheffield. So for me, I'm saying this, the Sheffield postcode area is S. So inside your jotter, just take note of that letter S. Once you've gotten that, your own might be T, your own might be E or E1 or whichever one. Just go ahead, write it down. Then once you've done that, go to another fresh page and type Dougal postcode generator. Dougal postcode generator. So search for it. Then you are going to be seeing this young white man over here, and that's exactly the one you are going to be making use of. No need scrolling down, just click on random postcode generator. Once you've seen the random postcode generator, scroll down, you'll see where it says use this page to generate a random postcode which can be used for websites where you don't want to provide your real details or for whatever other purpose you need it. Then scroll down, you will be seeing the space here. Can you see the space over here? So for us to insert something on this space given to us to generate our random postcode, just come over to this tiny button. I hope you can see the tiny small button inside the space given. Just tap on it. Then scroll down, whichever letter you generated the other time, just go down and search for it. Mine is S. So whatever yours is, that's what you are going to be tapping on. So since mine is letter S, I'm going to type on letter S. Then after that, click on create random postcode. Tap on it. Can you see mine? So for me, my random postcode is S5 6XU. Then yours might be different. Whatever you generated from yours, just take note of the space in between. It's very, very important. So for some sites might ask you for half of your postcode. If they ask you for half of your postcode, this is half of your postcode. The half of my own postcode is S5, and that's what I'm going to be giving them. But if they ask for my full postcode, or they just ask me to impute my postcode, you are going to be writing the full postcode you generated here. So like I said, always take note of this, of the space in between. If you did not impute that space in between, they might reject your postcode. And if you are not okay with the postcode given to you, maybe it could be hard for you to remember, you can come over and change the postcode. Then for address, for you to create, don't go yet, you need to create a matching address, because most of those sites will ask for your address. So for you to create a matching address, just come over here and tap on create matching address. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you can see this is my address. If you feel like you don't like this address given to you, you can still generate another address. Just scroll up and create a random postcode. Tap on it again. So you can see what it has generated for me now is different from the previous one I was given. This one is S9 1UA. So if I still feel that I don't like this postcode, or that the matching address is not okay for me, all I have to do is to come over again and tap on create a random postcode, and it will create a new one for me. Then you come over and tap on create a matching address. So you can see it has given me a better address. Can you see it? So what you are going to do right now is just to write down your city and your postcode, taking note of the space in between the postcode. No need creating a matching phone number. There's no need. If you need a phone number, just let me know in the comment section that you need a phone number, and I will link you up with a video on how to get a free phone number. There's no point getting a phone number here, okay? So once you've done that, you have successfully gotten your UK postcode and your matching address. So thank you for watching. Till I see you next time. This is Coach Emilia Davids.